Online English School, learning with Teacher Wendy. Adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe or define a noun or pronoun. Remember, a noun is a word that names a person, animal, place, thing, or idea. Some adjectives describe how a noun looks. Let's look at a sentence. The colorful rainbows filled the sky. Rainbow is the noun. Which word describes rainbow? Colorful. Colorful is the adjective. Some adjectives describe how a noun sounds. Let's look at a sentence. The loud rocket could be heard for miles. Rocket is the noun. Which word describes rocket? Loud. Loud is the adjective. Some adjectives describe how a noun smells. Let's look at a sentence. The fragrant flowers filled the air. Flowers is a noun. Which word describes flowers? Fragrant. Fragrant is the adjective. Some adjectives describe how a noun feels. Let's look at a sentence. The thick book was hard to carry. Book is a noun. Which word describes book? Thick. Thick is the adjective. Some adjectives describe how a noun tastes. Let's look at a sentence. I enjoy eating the delicious apple. Apple is the noun. Which word describes apple? Delicious. Delicious is the adjective. Now, let's review what we've learned. Circle the adjective in each sentence. I enjoyed the sweet ice cream. Which word describes the noun ice cream? Sweet. Sweet is the adjective. The soothing music put him to sleep. Which word describes the noun music? Soothing. Soothing is the adjective. The hungry mouse ate all the cheese. Which word describes the noun mouse? Hungry. Hungry is the adjective. The clean kitchen smelled fresh and inviting. Which word describes the noun kitchen? Clean. Clean is the adjective. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for learning with Teacher Wendy.